Hello, this is JNN Reviews, and let me tell you why these earbuds are the best ones so far that I have. So this was a free sample provided by TAGRY. I love these wireless earbuds. They have 60 hours of play, and mine are color pink, as you can see here. This charges wireless, or you can plug it into the power if you decide to. So this is the left and the right, and this is how they show in my ear. I can put them on for working out. I can wear them for just walking, being at home, even in a quiet library, and they work great. You can adjust here the pause the music, receive a phone call, talk on the phone, or play back and forth just by simple touching it with the finger. This is how they look. They are great. They won't fall off your ear. And also, mine say zero because they are charged 100%. The battery lasts for days, literally for days. I like them. They're very nice, very comfortable. I hope you check them out. They have different colors. And thank you for watching my video.